the Prado 250 bonnet strut installation video. So, look, it wasn't that hard to lift it up and put that on there, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have that extra little bit of luxury. And to be honest, if you paid this much for a 250, I don't know why Toyota didn't put them on. For the sake of like a $50 kit, it would have cost Toyota probably 10 bucks. But anyhow, anyway, we're going to show you how to install one of the bonnet strut kits just to make life that little bit easier. Happy days, let's get into it. Right, the first thing we need to do is just remove this plastic cover. It'll go back on. Now they've just got those little clips, but if you push that one across, pull it all the way forward, and then the last one pushes in, that covers off. We have to remove this plastic clip right here because that is where one of our bolts are going to go. See, this bracket just mounts straight on and uses that hole right there. Now, the tricky part is going to be getting in our hardware. First thing we want to do is get our washer and our nut and slide it up underneath it. Tricky, yes, I know. All that lined up, washer and nut in place. We're going to sit that in there, and then we're going to start that thread. Got it. Make it nice and square with everything. Do it up nice and firm. Righto, so that's our first bracket in place. Now our second bracket, we want to bolt up onto here. Undo the bottom bolt with a 12mm socket, and we can mount up our bracket. Then we can put the strut on and do the same on the other side. It's pretty straightforward, really. Yeah, when you've got it finger tight, just make sure that's nice and firm against that bracket there. It'll keep everything supported and nicely in position. Now, let's just do it up nice and tight. Lovely. That's one done. Righto, both brackets are in place, top and bottom. Now, all we need to do is clip up our gas strut. We just got to put our cover back on. And we're going to actually line that up because we're going to notch out just a section right here where that gas strut is. So we'll mark that out and notch it out. Line that up because we're going to notch out just a section right here where that gas strut is. Double check our positioning. That looks spectacular. Now let's just put it all back in. We can pop out all our plastic clips and put them back in their positions where they're supposed to go. Righto, that's it. It's as simple as that. Doesn't get any easier. So let's give it a bit of a test run. Take this down, let go. That bonnet stays up. How good is that? Now I have full access to the engine bay. That's the only problem with having the strut. It just makes servicing so much easier. I can get to my airbox, I can get my relays, oil, fill up my overflow bottles, everything I can just get to without having this in the way. I know you can work around it, but if you're going to do basic servicing on your car, checking air filters, topping up your coolant, checking your oil, all those type of things, pop it up, do a check, and then just close your bonnet. Done. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and until next time, take care of yourselves.